Okay. So, anyone who has written the sentence on in theory?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Who has written? Namita ji has said yes. Could you please tell us the sentence you have written?
Yes, ma'am. In theory, no?
Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Sure. Take it.
No, ma'am. Actually, in practical, I written on in practical.
Okay.
Not in theory.
We would like to listen from you of in practical, and then I'll let you know all what sentence we could have written with in
I have
theory.
written. I have written.
Yes, please. Tell.
In theory, the plan sounds fine.
Yeah, right.
And one more I wrote. A school dental service exists in theory. In practice, there are few dentists to work in it.
Yeah, right. That's the right
But ma'am,
sentence.
I
In
have done
theory.
with help of my daughter.
Okay. It's okay. It's not a matter, but you might have understood that where to use in theory. Namita ji and Geetu ji, have you understood that where to use in theory? Basically, these
Yes,
few
ma'am.
of the words are used in simple present tense. Hence, I have given that. All right. So, Neetu ji has not entered yet. Will she be joining the class or not? Anybody has the idea? Because there is an activity which we have taught in pairs.
Ma'am,
Is she
please
joining?
explain. Please.
Okay, all about the studying part, right? That is in theory कि हम उस चीज को पढ़ के कर रहे हैं. That is in theory. And in practical, when you are trying to apply it up and when you're bringing into application, that is the difference between the both. Now, if we talk about in theory, the sentence which is spoken by Anita ji was कि जो स्कूल जो डेंटिस्ट होते हैं, जो स्कूल डेंटल की स्टडीज होती हैं, that is studied basically in theory. And then in practical, it is applied, or in practical it is brought into practice. So both of the words, both of the phrases are used. Sorry, medical is studied in theory, comma, and applied in practical, so that is the
Yes,
difference
ma'am.
between the both, right? Hope you have understood.
May I try one
Sure,
sentence?
we would like to listen. Sure.
Very already any law in theory, it seems very easy. If we try to apply in practical, it's really difficult.
Okay. Anybody has the information? Is Neetu connecting, or shall we start with the R activity then? Because I have thought a practice. Yes, please, Neetu.
Let me call.
Once call if she is connected, then I just, so I have made it. Ask once if it's possible.
1 minute.
Meanwhile, Namita ji and Anita ji, just check the PDF that I've sent on group. Read that out.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the activity which we are going to conduct.
Ma'am, she will join 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, fine. We'll be doing that activity. So
Yeah,
meanwhile, what we can do is Geetu ji and Anita ji are going to conversate to each other related to that. This is a role play, of course. All right. That role play is mentioned in the group. Just open that PDF, read out both the role plays, and one will be given by me to you. So just read out the role plays, and then we'll be discussing what we need to do in that and how.
Ma'am, it's only topic.
No, in PDF it would be mentioned that 2 role plays are there, and just read that out. 2 role plays. The PDF which I have just sent minutes ago.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. This one, mother and son.
Mm.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Namita ji, could you please explain the first role play, and then Geetu ji will be explaining the next, and then we'll be discussing about it.
Ma'am, where you gave that information about that role, please? On WhatsApp chat?
WhatsApp group, yes. Yeah, just minutes ago. Few minutes ago I have sent. That's a PDF. Just
Okay.
read that out.
Yeah.
No problem. Take your time. Take your time.
Ma'am, what's meaning of abominable deeds?
Okay, very good question. Abominable deeds means bad. बहुत बुरे deeds, or you can call it
बुरी
wrong.
आते
Deeds means yes, absolutely right.
which were not expected by father.
Geetu ji, could you please explain what we need to do in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Neetu
ma'am.
ji,
Okay, okay, ma'am. Namita, ma'am, start first. You first.
No. आप करिए, मैं second वाला पढ़ रही हूँ.
Okay. Dialogue between father and daughter. And daughter is went abroad for studying, and the daughter got into some abominable deeds. It means bad
Excellent.
habits,
Yes, right.
which were not expected by father.
Yes.
And they, on this topic they are argue.
Yes, they are going to argue upon the same. Okay, Anita ji and Geetu ji are going to do the conversation upon the same just after 2 minutes. And Namita ji, after them, you and Neetu ji are going to conversate today. All right. And Namita ji, meanwhile, just be prepared with your part of conversation, and you can share it with Neetu ji for a minute or so. I won't be giving a lot of time because it is a on-spot dialogue conversation. I don't want to give a lot of time for it. All right. Just 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Prepare for it.
Ma'am,
What
same
do you
dialogue
want to
no?
say? Yeah.
Ma'am, same
Anita ji
dialogue no?
and yeah, the first one. All right. The first one, right? No, the second one.
Ma'am,
The second one.
Second one is mine.
Yes. Excellent.
ma'am, I wrote read first second one.
Yes, you have read the second one. And one more thing, let us make here Anita ji as mother and Geetu ji daughter, because I know you're going to listen very good dialogues from your side. So I'm always keen to listen such kind of dialogues from your side. So of course, we're going to make Anita ji as a mature and a very sophisticated sort of personality here as a mother, and we are going to make Geetu ji as a daughter. Okay, take your time. Namita ji, you to prepare for the first one. Be sure good dialogues, good phrases. Even if you want to search few of the phrases on Google, Namita ji, you can write because you have time, plenty of time. Please be a stringent mother.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
Fine, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is it going well?
Yes. And what are you doing there?
Now I'm studying because there are exams are.
Oh my.
Yeah.
And how is your preparation?
Recording in progress. Not bad, Mama. bad, I'll try to best. I'll try to give the best result.